you can see,
We're going up there.
we don't mind taking.
Yeah, and I think that it's.
I promise I heard something, like a growl or.
And then he canceled it, and I was so bummed. And all of Ashland this fall. And you just wait. I love this place.
It's pretty through here. This is nice.
Oh,
Yes, I think she could have maybe.
maybe.
Well, you,
I haven't seen it all yet, but
Oh yeah.
I guess that's the one we're going on there.
exactly where I want to go.
And
Because the sound of music.
if the Forest Service didn't.
Wow, look at this. Ah, that is something.
That must be the Blue Ridge Parkway over there.
So let's go ahead to the North Summit, team. Up here.
Yeah, then it would be up here. Well, this is a nice little easy path. Here or a rabbit, and instinct takes over, and they take off.
Mine was tied up in the backyard the other day, and tied up, and he must have seen a squirrel, and he ripped the collar over his head and the dog tags, but he is chipped. The dog tags stretched out, and they flew all over the place just for a squirrel in my fenced-in backyard. And I was like,
oh my God!
Collar came up, and I'm like, oh my God, yeah. So. Yeah, these.
You know, Bing Creek, they're really bad about that.
Butterfly, but it's a monarch is a pass. It's about 11.5. See what the temperature is. It's probably going to be in the 40s.
Pinehurst is even 79. Cheapers.
The wind is a little. Is there a front coming in or something?
Must be.
Yeah, Mondays are my dead. Because, like I said, Thursdays
That's the trail we walked in on.
And man, I skinned it, and I felt like I was 7 years old. And both of my palms, I'm really surprised I didn't, taking rocks out of them, and it was kind of embarrassing.
Well, I mean, gradually.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this
But
is.
it's tough because it's rocky and slippery.
So we're going on the Flat Laurel Creek Trail right here.
Yeah, he was talking about Thailand.
Almost out of gas. And it's gas. Where's the next gas station?
Oh my God.
Yeah, if I take
You bait.
that felt good. Actually, I was kind of a little chilled, just just that.
They keep up with stuff. Well,
Hey.
got enough people on the payroll. Must you? Must you do
I
that?
want to see who's the most agile
You
of the
just
two.
want to see me fall. That's exactly what you're doing. That. Very pretty. I expect a trout to come right through this.
A trout?
It should come right through there. That's gorgeous.
It is.
Wow.
Look at this over here too. Look at this. Oh, I like the rock.
No, but I mean, we're just backwalking. We're just going back over the creek again.
Oh, that's pretty.
I'm absolving all responsibility at this point.
Are we lost?
Nope. I think that's Sam Knob up here where we just went.
It was like right in front of me on the trail. And I didn't have another leash, so I actually took my hiking stick, put it around its collar, and walked like this. And what am I going to do with this dog now?
I'm still friends with a lot of people I met.
Go on, like, forward and move forward.
And my car right there.
Nice. Oh yeah.
Team Owen, we've made it.
Oh darn, let's do it again. Remember, I was up. It was late. Always wants fun. She's good. She's so cute. She's just so cute.
Oh, I want to get a picture of it.
Walk up there, Gigi, underneath it, and I'll take one photo first.
The dragon.
Dragon.
Everybody,
I thought it was a deer at first.
I think it's a deer.
he wants a picture.
Okay.
No. Wilson, you gotta come on.
Hey, Wilson.
Whoa.